Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about gold. So let's get started. We're gonna start from October 15, 2022. This is the monthly chart I made then, and it is based on the Elliott wave study, right? So Elliott wave, let me show you a chart that this is usually what happens. So you have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have a correction wave 2, we have a correction wave 4. Now in this wave 4, usually you have two types of correction, normally, most commonly. One is flat, right? And then you have several different kind, 4, 5 different kind of flats. Anything can happen. And then the second is the triangles. That triangle is also has like 4 or 5 different kind of triangles, right? So that can happen. So that's why wave 4 is considered as the most complex wave to trade, right? So and then another version of a flat is like this. A flat is like sideways correction where A equal B equals C, and usually C goes down a little bit more in this case in a bullish scenario. So it goes beyond a wave a little bit, right? So if you look at this, then you will see that this is what was happening here in this chart. Wave 1, then ABC2 correction, wave 3 there, then this was wave 4, right? So I said, okay, if this is wave 4, let me see if I'm recording it. Yeah. All right. So now wave 4, then it should go to the upside for wave 5. Like I said, is above wave 3. Just like I just like on this diagram, that wave 5 goes above wave 3 to the extension level, 127 over 61, right? So this was I was expecting that is going to be doing. So now we start from here. It start to go up for wave 5, and then it went up all the way here. I'm going to skip a lot of charts in between, right? So it's got, otherwise you have like 40, 50 charts to look at. So I'm going to skip and then just show you that how we reached to the target. So this was the target and we finally reached that. So I said, and it dropped to 1920, right? So I said, okay, it will probably bounce from there. Or you see that I highlighted this, that it may drop to 1802 as well. This is also a very big possibility, right? That's why it is bold in black. So what happened? So I'm going to show you a couple of weekly chart from here. It dropped below this. This is the first chart that went wrong, and it dropped a little bit below this level, right? So I said, okay, now if it is going to stay below 1959, then it's going to drop to 1802. See that? So I was pointing towards 1802. And what happened? It dropped to 1802. Right? So I said, now from here, it's going to bounce back to 1959. And what happened? Back to monthly chart. And then we went back to 1959 here. All right. And then continue to the upside. We went there, hit this level one more time again, and then finally broke above it. And we went there. Now, I said, okay, 61% of wave 3, usually the wave 5 ends, but maybe not, right? So, but if it is the end of wave 5, then it should be dropping. But that didn't happen, and it want to go to the upside even more. So this is what happened. So I made this chart in March 30th, 2024. The target is somewhere here, 2450 area, right? So what happened to this chart? You can see it went up big time, boom, right? So a very, very small area left, and then it started to drop. So then I said, well, I had many, many long trades in going to the upside, right? So, but enough is enough, right? So I said, well, it's now maybe it's going to drop, and maybe the wave 5 is finished, right? It's above wave 3 anyway. So let's see. And then I'm going to go and do something else. So I went and start playing around with the yen pairs and all that, right? They were flying, moving fast. So but this one, what happened now, we go to the current chart here. So you can see this one went up. It started to come down here, right, from this high. And then now again, start to go to the upside. Right. So this is on a 4-hour chart. You can see that this was a retracement, right? And then this started to go up again. And then I missed the move, to be honest with you, right? So I was busy in yen pairs and all that. and this went up, but I finally caught something, and that is, let me show you that this is last Friday. Now, even this entry was a very perfect by the book entry, but my alarm was not on, so I didn't hear anything. But finally, I looked at it. So this is what I saw, and my 7 minute that CTS robot, it took the trade. I put that on, and then it took the trade, right? So that's another thing that we just launched, and it's available on my website for public. If you want, you can have it. It's a very, very good EA. Once you decide the direction, you just put it on the chart, and it takes the entry, plays the stop loss and target, and all of that are there, right? So you can choose the target whatever you want, and I usually tell my subscriber that what need to be done, right? So this is the chart. Now, this is the trade that I took on Friday. Now, so this is what's happening here. Look at the monthly chart. This is my new chart that I just made. That this is probably the target. So maybe if you look at this wave three, 100% is coming here, and then 161% of this here, this 161%. Oh, sorry. This one is the extension of this. So this 161% is coming right here. And then expansion, the fifth target thingy is, for wave three, wave four. So that 100% is here. And if you want to be an extended, then it can go to all the way there. So time will tell how the US dollar index is going to be. The gold usually connected and react to US dollar index. By the way, the US dollar index, if you look at it, I made this chart that on March 8th, saying that if this is wave B, then we're supposed to be coming down here for wave C, and US dollar will get weaker if that happened, right? And these four pairs will go up and these three will go down. So that's exactly what happened. This chart right now is looking like this. It came down, then it bounced, and now again going to the downside. So I think it's going to drop because all the fundies are bad for USD, right, lately. So this would be the target. 61% of this whole rise, and 127 of this extension of 127 from A to B. So once we get there, hopefully we get there next week, then we're probably gonna bounce again. So let's see what happens. So this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C correction, and then finally again impulse wave to the upside. US dollar probably gonna get strong again. So let's see how it is gonna be. So like I said, the pound, gold, that's what the gold is doing. And this is my, not this one. This is the target here, right? To the upside. The weekly chart shows this is my target here, between 127, 141, and 161. Let's see where we end up. This is a small wave count. This is a weekly chart, right? So wave 3, A, B, C correction, wave 4, the one, we saw on the monthly chart, big one. Then if this is wave 1 and 2, for wave 5, then this is 1, 2, 3, followed by wave 4, and then wave 5. That will end this black count of wave 3. Then it will drop for wave 4, and then go for wave 5 to the upside again. And then that will be finishing this wave 5 of this, whole 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and the 5. Right. So still, we have a way to the upside to go, and maybe we will end up right now. This one is like 24.66. This is 25.60. So maybe like 27.28. We will probably end up this whole 5-wave drama, right? So still more to come. Like I said, then prepare yourself, and whatever the system you use it. But like I said, mine, this is the system. This was the entry here. This is the one that I missed. This is the one I took it, and this one. And then look at my 40-minute chart. It's so beautiful. Even if you use this one as entry, it's amazing. Look, you see how many good entries, and at least it shows the target. This what I use is this. I use this one as the direction for like impulse wave retracement, and then when it start from here, I start to go and then look for 20-minute entries, right? And then after that retracement, leave it alone, and then when it start to go up again, boom, you start to take the entries from 20-minute chart. That's how the system works. Very, very systematic and dramatic, right? So this is how it is. And I hope you doing fine over the weekend. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm going to be making the next. Let me see what the next video I'm going to be making about the Nasdaq, S&P 500, DAX, US 30, all of that indices. And after that, I'll see. Right? I have to make several videos for the triangle videos for my video course on my website that I have for Elliott wave course and harmonic pattern. Right, those are amazing course, to be honest with you, and you will learn a lot, and you can use them for a lot of reasons. Let me just show you that how easily and then beautifully you can use. For example, just like pound. For example, pound. If I can show you pound USD, let me show you here. They're not here. So, okay. So they're not here right now, but they are on the website. Pound USD, I had that harmonic pattern, and it's working out pretty well. And like you just saw that Elliott wave count for USD came out really well, and gave me a lot of trades, to be honest, a lot of trades. And that Aussie weakness gave me several trades in pound. Let me see if I have it here. These three trades, pound, euro, USD. Look at that. Pound USD weakness chart I just showed you. So because of that, I got this euro USD from a 20-minute chart for 120 pip. Then 130 pip pound USD and pound Aussie. And you can see that it is written on this chart here when I said that. This is, I said, if it's going to happen here, it's going to come down here. EU, GU, AU, and NU will go up. These four pair will go up, and these three pair will go down. So I took this one long, this one long, this one long, and all total of like more than 300 pip, right? So this is how it is. This is how the system works, right? So plan your trade and then trade your plan. That is the plan, right? So this is it for now. Like I said, that don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get my videos on time. Today Saturday up until Sunday, I will probably make 3 or 4 more videos about different things. I'm in the mood of making videos now, and that's how it is, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend.